Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we are diving into the basics of AI and uncovering the exciting and emerging topic called generative AI. Introduction to artificial intelligence. Let's start with the fundamentals. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to machines or computer systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. There are various types of AI, ranging from narrow AI, which is task specific, to general AI, which exhibits human like intelligence across a broad range of tasks. Currently, we are in the era of narrow AI. Introduction to generative AI. Now, let's shift our focus to generative AI, a fascinating subset of AI. Generative AI involves machines creating something new, whether it's images, text, or even music. Real world applications of generative AI. Generative AI isn't just a concept, it's making waves in the real world. Let's explore some practical applications. Examples: artistic creations, deepfake detection, and content generation in various industries. Generative AI examples. Two popular models within generative AI are generative adversarial networks and autoencoders. These models play a significant role in creating realistic content and solving complex problems. AI is a powerful force shaping our digital landscape, and generative AI opens new possibilities for creativity and problem solving. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the realm of AI. Stay curious, stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.